Hi, welcome back to a brand new day and a new vlog. Yeah, all road leads to Bunso. We are going to Bunso Eco Park. Yeah, Mommy P or the other. We're going to on we go. Yeah.
Yes, so stick and stay with us.
Yeah.
Don't click out, Watch this video to the very end and subscribe if you haven't. Turn on your bell. Yes, and watch all ads.
Bam.
Support our
Bam.
So
Bam.
Bam.
Aye. Chop keys. So guys, we are finally at the park. Yeah, we are finally at the park. There are people around. Yeah, we are seeing St. Catherine of Siena from Bema Camp. So there are a group here, and we are also here. We are from the Republic of YouTube. we belong to the Republic of YouTube. Hi. Swap please. Swinging. You're swinging, right? We're swinging me back. Vlog, make I vlog. Mommy wants to swing, and we also want to do the canopy walk before that. So we had wanted to go for a hike, but then we were told that we cannot because of the slippers we have, and also Ariana, but the sun is so high, so there will be reptiles, there will be snakes. Yendu baby canopy no one can 45,000 calories.
Monkey nuts, watch it. Monkey nuts.
This is so cool. What's that? From our it is naturally natural. Oh, wait, oh, boy.
Oh, I'm coming to the waffle. What the upper mammy?
Oh, boy, and I made a munana mutation. Beside the popular Kakum National Park, there are 3 other canopy walkways in Ghana. We have the Amejope Canopy Walkway near Oti Waterfalls in the Volta region, the Peninsula Canopy Walkway in Akosombo, and the Bunso Eco Park, all in the eastern region of Ghana. The Peninsula Canopy Walkway hangs on 15 concrete pillars other than the traditional tree supports canopy walkways known in the country. Uh-huh. 435 Mapon. Bunso Eco Park, also known as the Bunso Arboretum, started operations in Ghana in the year 2014. It's about 165 kilometers from Accra, 3 kilometers from the Bunso Junction, and 30 minutes drive from Koforidua, and is also close to the seed production unit of Cocoa Board in Bunso. Bunso Eco Park and the Peninsula Canopy Walkway is owned by a businessman by name Kenneth Ekufu-Asare, who happens to have been the only Ghanaian who worked with the Canadians that constructed the Kakum National Park in the year 1995. The canopy walkway has 5 bridges. The entrance fee for adults is 15 cedis per head, but for children, because we did not pay for Mame, I do not know. The charge on the canopy walkway for adults is 20 cedis and children 5 cedis. The zip line is 30 cedis, and they also have these services that we did not patronize: horse ride, nature tour, and forest hike. I so much had fun and also enjoyed their services. However, I wish they would put some together in the form of a package, say horse riding and canopy walkway, instead of it going for say 15 cedis. Because we've put it together, we will take 12 cedis or 13 cedis rather than charging them independently.
Go! Mama is good. Look at her face. Look at her face. Wow.
And so guys, I would recommend this place every time, every moment of my life to my family and friends. I've been to Kakum before, and when I even posted a set of this on my WhatsApp status, a friend was like, "Hey, you are courageous, so you've gone there again." Guys, it is super fun. We need to face our fears. So I recommend this place to you over and over again. But this is not the end of this fun-filled moment. In the subsequent video that will drop tomorrow, God willing, I am going to be giving you all the details of this trip. We're going to see the Intiatiemu, the scary part, the turbulent moments. We are going to show you all that in our videos. Yes, because Abena also has a similar version on her channel, so check her out.